always tracking. This is Next Weather.
So you and I, we talk about food a lot. What's your favorite fast food?
I love Chick-fil-A. I mean, I feel like you can't really beat the waffle fries. They are so good.
Chick-fil-A. I'm still a McDonald's girl.
McDonald's is classic too, right?
Classic,
you can't go wrong. The
food.
Fries, the McFlurries, and the McFlurry machine actually works.
Once every few years, basically.
Right, exactly. And you know, this weekend, if you're maybe heading out and going to grab ice cream, it won't be quite as hot. We're not going to be looking at the kind of melt rate that we normally see with ice creams, but we will be looking at certainly some sunshine and very pleasant conditions. Temperatures in the lower 80s, 81 degrees both Saturday and Sunday for a high that is right on the dot for our average. With these cooler starts that we're certainly feeling this morning, we've got a nice blue sky. Temperatures currently sitting in those low to middle 70s. Winds out of the north bringing in that cooler and drier air. We felt that this morning. Many areas dropped into the 60s for the first time this year. That includes Miami, Fort Lauderdale, and it is about time. Our average low is 68 degrees, so we should be in the 60s now for this time of year. And it finally looks like we're getting back on track here. Temperatures now warming into the middle 70s with the sun out and shining. Nothing on our radar at the moment as we see very dry air filtering in from the north with high pressure building out across the eastern United States. So today we keep it dry. We're going to feel cooler and overall just a spectacular weekend. Get outside, enjoy the nice, dry, cooler conditions. That'll also be the case as we head into tomorrow. I'll show you our next weather rain tracker, but there won't be much to show. Can't quite rule out a stray shower working its way onshore with this northeasterly flow. It's just going to be hard to get those going because we have such dry air in the mid levels of the atmosphere, but wouldn't quite rule out, just because we have that breeze coming off the ocean, a little low level shower popping on through the area. Now Monday to Tuesday, we're going to start to warm things up. This comes out ahead of our next front that will be even stronger. This one's set to move through for Wednesday. It is going to be bringing us a quick moving line of some showers, possibly some storms, and then we're looking at the coldest air of the season settling in as we into Thursday, Friday, and the weekend for next weekend. Notice we see those lows tick back up into middle 70s. Front moves through for Wednesday, and check it out. We have not just 60s but 50s in the forecast as we head towards Friday and Saturday for next weekend. So we're really going to start to feel much cooler across areas. We're starting to see these fronts now finally swing on through the area. Highs today, 81 degrees for Miami, 80 for Fort Lauderdale, with those lower 80s through our inland zones. Out across the tropics, we are still tracking Tropical Storm Sarah, 45-mile-per-hour tropical storm. It's a weaker system and it continues to batter the coast of the Yucatan Peninsula, Belize, Honduras, and eventually will be working its way over the Yucatan Peninsula as we head into tomorrow and Monday, where it is expected to weaken. This is now expected to completely dissipate before it moves into the Gulf of Mexico, but we're still going to see some of the remnant moisture actually get trapped by the same front that will be moving through on Wednesday, and that's what's going to bring us that higher chance for some showers, possibly some storms. So Wednesday, with that additional moisture from what was Tropical Storm Sarah, the remnants of that will lead to a little bit of a wetter day on Wednesday, but after that we get the reward. Notice next weather 7-day forecast. We keep it mainly dry today, tomorrow, and Monday and Tuesday. Those rain chances remaining low. Highs will be slowly warming up back to about those low to middle 80s. We'll feel a little bit more humid too by the middle portion of the week. That front moves through, brings us that quick moving line of showers and storms, and then it's out of here. Behind that, we're looking at highs that'll only be reaching into the 70s as we into Thursday and Friday, with those much cooler nights as lows fall into the 50s.
It's my dream forecast.